Good day everyone, it is CryptoPortfolio.io project and my name is Dan. Today's video is devoted to chatbots and opportunities of using Ethereum directly with this technology. Here I will explain you why Telegram is the best place for bots yet. Then I'll describe how exactly Ethereum chatbots can be used and give you information about my chatbot in Telegram. Finally, I did an interview with my close friend who is a bot developer. We had a great time chatting about chatbots and Ethereum. Why did we choose Telegram as the place for our bot? First, Telegram user base is full of professionals, Ethereum enthusiasts and our friends. This has become universal method of communicating. We do not use WhatsApp and Viber anymore. Speed. Speed is especially important in our modern world. It was one of the reasons to stay on this platform, and now it has become the reason to develop on it. The most important one, chatbots. Telegram was the first of the messengers to introduce this absolutely great feature, which is slowly starting to change our world. Usefulness. Telegram has become not only a messenger or bot platform, it is a file transfer platform, file storage platform, etc. Finally, stickers. Just look at how many great free stickers Telegram has. And you can add yours, it's one of the killer features. The most important part. Did you know that Ethereum and chatbots have the same targets? Decentralization is the first one. It gives an advantage in terms of cost-saving opportunity. Then, elimination of middlemen. Human participation in a process is not needed. Both parties are coordinated by a lifeless algorithm, which is created to suit our needs. And what are the spheres where Ethereum and bots can work together? First, it is conversion of one crypto to another using chatbot. For example, you will be able to convert MLN tokens to ethers using the chatbot. Taxicabs. This was actually a showcase of Status team, where they sent ether to the bot and their location, and the bot in return sent them a taxicab. Food delivery. Send ether, location and order. Your food will be delivered where you need it. And other services for ether. By the way, Status team is actively developing chatbots for its decentralized application, and maybe soon our crypto portfolio bot will be there. What are the current capabilities of crypto portfolio bot at the moment? At the moment, you're able to check your ETH or BTC prices and capitalizations, check your ETH or BTC wallet balances, create an alert for a price change. You have a choice of 5 cryptocurrencies, including Ether and REP token. And what are our plans for the future of crypto portfolio bot? So we certainly want to add additional Ethereum-based tokens, and we would like to concentrate exclusively on Ethereum. Also, we really want to add analytical tools in terms of different processed data. For example, the premium, which is calculated as a difference between funds collected during the ICO and the current capitalization, and we will show it in terms of one coin's price. Also, in my opinion, number of daily transactions is a very important price indicator for Ethereum. That's why we will add some kind of dynamic illustration of the last data concerning number of transactions to our chatbot. Good day everyone. Today I would like to take interview from my close friend who is also a developer of Telegram bot. And the first question is, what is your name and where are you from?
What's up everyone? My name is Sergey. I'm from Moscow, Russia.
And what kind of background do you have in coding?
No, like I'm a regular web developer, mostly specializing on voice over IP. Pretty much it.
The second question is, how did you find out about Ethereum?
Like I was looking around Bitcoin for a long time. I was looking into it. I was interested in this brand new blockchain concept it introduced. Like it was a groundbreaking at the moment, but I was still thinking about Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies like some kind of scam. It has no liabilities, it has no centralization, so that's why I thought it would just boom at some point and it will all become nothing. So I wasn't really paying much attention to it, and I wasn't really thinking about buying Bitcoins for myself. So at some moment Bitcoin was going up, reaching some high value. We all remember this period of time, and at this point I told myself, like, that's all, Bitcoin will go, Bitcoin has skyrocketed and it will go down as fast as it was growing, and it will be sent. But to my surprise, Bitcoin stabilized, and all these Chinese guys who got into it were doing outstanding job maintaining it and making its price more stable. So Bitcoin proved itself a trustworthy currency for everyone to conduct their transactions over internet. And at some point, a close friend of mine who is now maintaining this cryptoportfolio.io channel on YouTube we are watching right now told me about Ethereum. Like, it's Bitcoin but much better. It has a lot of development opportunities for guys like you. So I looked into it and I liked it a lot. I liked its concept. I liked the implementation of its client, and I decided that I will be following this. I will be learning this, and I will try to get into it. Pretty much it.
That's a great answer. And what do you think about the prospects of Ethereum blockchain? Do you think it will succeed, or it will have some technical difficulties which will undermine the whole blockchain and everything will be ruined?
No, when we are talking about goals, Ethereum project team is setting, I divide them into two different parts. Like, the first part is being a go-to way to pay stuff on internet and becoming a very popular internet currency. And the second part is blockchain powered world. Like, everything is working on the Ethereum protocol. Everyone knows what is it, and it becomes like a pop culture. So the first set of goals, I think those goals are very realistic. I think that the speed and convenience that Ethereum gives to payments all over internet, those stuff is just outstanding, and you have to be some kind of idiot to overlook it. So I think that Ethereum is capable to take over internet payments, but it has to stay centralized. It has to avoid conflicts. Like, we all remember this Ethereum classic situation and stuff. And if Ethereum team manages it well, I think it has a bright future on this first set of goals. And the second goals, like becoming like everything, like new internet, I don't really think it will work, because if you are familiar with structure of internet, we all know that it's 100% hierarchy. Like, you have big nodes that are managing smaller nodes, and it goes all the way to a router that is managing your computer, your Wi-Fi hotspot, and so on. So it's like a big army. So, and Ethereum is a more it's more like independent, more democratic structure. And I'm not sure that this way of handling things will work for networks.
And in the beginning of your answer, what kind of centralization did you mean?
A group of guys who are just managing all the technical, all the political stuff that is going on with Ethereum, like this DAO, DAO conflict, we all remember. Like when stuff went really wrong, and Ethereum community needed a very harsh decision how to handle it.
Mm-hmm.
This decision was made, and as long as those decisions are made and those decisions are not failures, I think Ethereum is good.
To be honest, I also share this opinion simply because right now we observe the debacle with Bitcoin Core and Bitcoin Unlimited. And it tears apart not only the community of Bitcoin, but also the price. And because of this, Bitcoin has lost part of its capitalization recently. So I also think that community should be kind of centralized, but still it should accept rational proposals to improve itself. Okay. So what is the purpose of your bot?
We wanted to make a convenient way for everyone who is following Ethereum news to access all the stuff he needs. Like if you have some wallet of yourself, you would like to check the balance of it. Bot has its feature. If you are just following the Ethereum stock market, you can track different currencies price using our bot. And if you are just interested in global stats, you can get Ethereum price, Ethereum capitalization, and the same stuff for Bitcoin. So just all the good stuff. If you are following crypto world in one bot, that was our main goal.
Yes, and to be honest, I kind of forced my friend to make this bot, but he was enthusiastic about it. So, in this question I want to answer myself. What was my motivation to create crypto portfolio bot? So the first reason is convenience. As you know, we have push buttons. So it means that you have ability to avoid typing lots of things into chat. You simply are able to push buttons and get the information you need. And in my opinion, what all the bots in Telegram lack right now is alert function. Alert function gives you ability to set up the alert price of Ether, Bitcoin, rep of Augur or Monero, and the bot will alert you or will send you a message when this price is reached on Poloniex, because we used Poloniex IP. And also my motivation can be observed by looking at the growing amount of users and investors into Ethereum. Okay, Sergey, do you have any plans on the future features of CryptoBot? And are you planning on adding new functions to it? So from my side, I think we will be able to add quite a lot of new features, but what do you think? Do you want to add something?
This bot project was hacked altogether in my spare time, so it has a lot of bad decisions in development. The main goal I have with this bot is just to put it all together a little bit better, so it will be more stable, more fast, and speaking about additional features, I can't really think about more interesting stuff to add. So that's why I have you, someone who give me some ideas and orders so I can implement them in the bot.
Yes. And okay, so let's move on to the status depth. I think you saw my presentation on this great project and the interview with Jared. What do you think about this decentralized application? Will we be able to get our bot to this platform?
No, like when you are working with some different platform, the first thing you are considering is the amount of people who are actively using this platform. If you're like going making a bot in Telegram, you know it's very popular out here in Russia, so everyone is using it. So that's why it's completely safe to develop something on Telegram because it has a lot of users there. But if you are developing like on Google Plus, like do you even remember this social network, man? So if you are developing on something not popular, it won't get any users at all. So we have to live and see how popular this status application will get. Like I was looking into the repository on the code base, and it looks kind of interesting, but the main thing that is concerning me when I was looking into this status application is the speed of it. Status application is a fully functional Ethereum client right on your phone. So it's kind of cool, but the payback of it is its speed, because when you have a Ethereum node, or even worse, Bitcoin node on your machine, it takes a lot of computing power, a lot of time, just to keep it up to date. So it will be either working on background of your phone, eating up all the charge you have. Like if you don't disable some applications on your phone, they consume a lot of your battery time right away. So I think status application might do it as well. Or if they want run it on background all the time, it will just take a lot of time to become up to date when you launch it. Like if you're going to grab a couple of beers with your friend and then you want to transfer a couple of coins to him in exchange of beer he bought you, you will launch your status application, and you will just sit there waiting 10 minutes until it synchronizes, and you will be able to make your transaction. So either it will eat a lot of charge, or it will take a lot of time to boot. So I'm not really sure that this implementation of Ethereum node on your phone will be very popular.
To be honest, I also see the problem of speed as a crucial one. As you know, Telegram is one of the best messengers for its speed and convenience. But in my opinion, I stay positive that in the future the developers of Status will deal with this kind of problem, and we will have a competing messenger. I think they will deal with all the problems concerning speed, but it will take quite some time. Thank you, and we move to the next question. Can you tell me about interesting technical problems you had to solve while developing this chatbot? When we started with this bot, we didn't have a altogether plan what features it will have, what task will it accomplish, and so on. So we were adding features right on the way. So
That's the main challenge I faced with, because I didn't have all the data to plan it ahead, so I just had to imagine stuff on the way. So that's the main challenge I had. The Telegram API is very is very well documented. It's very well maintained. The bot is developed on Python language, by the way. Shout out to the guys who develop Telegram.py library. It's amazing, very well documented, very chill guys. I was using this library, and it just made the development process much faster, much more fun, and that's pretty much it.
Yes, by the way, Telegram was developed by Pavel Durov, who is a Russian national who also created the most popular social network called vk.com. Okay, thank you. And what is your opinion on other messenger platforms with bots, like Discord? Are they better than Telegram chatbot ecosystem? Because as far as I know, you also have bots on other platforms.
All these bots on different platforms, it's a big hype train. When bots started appearing all around, everyone was hyped about it, everyone was developing bots, everyone was using bots, but I think that all this hype grew a little bit lower till the end of 2016. So let's just see how it goes in 2017, because frankly, I'm still taking all these bots like fun projects of mine, because I don't really see any market value on them at the moment, but I see that all the social networks that are adding bots to the API, I also adding some money grabbing tools as well. So you are able to add some payment gateway in your bot. So people are using bots, and then you tell them, oh, I see you like my bot, give me some money. So it's maybe in some time I will develop bots for living, but now it's more like fun projects. In Discord, it has a little less well-maintained API interface compared to Telegram, but it's still very convenient. So I was able to create some music bots, and it was pretty fun developing it. So that's pretty much it. It's just a fun projects.
Monetization is a tough problem for bots because you are unable to find any kind of way to monetize your bots. The only way I can see them monetizing anything is through huge projects. For example, as far as I know, different Russian banks right now are implementing bots into their system of communication with customers. But they are not monetizing them because there is no way to monetize them. At the same time, I can see that Ether with the help of bots, bots with the help of Ether can be monetized. For example, you can create a taxi cab service using Ethereum CHATBOT. For example, you can send this bot some Ether, and your location, and this bot automatically, with no middleman, will send you a cab driver to this location. So this is one of the ways to monetize your bot. But still, you need to offer some final product with it.
Yeah, I was just wanted to agree with you and say that at the moment bots are mostly like complementary products that are just coming with some big service. Like we have some big cool stuff, and that's a little bot, fun bot of ours. You can use it as well, but come visit our main project. Give us money this way, not by the bot.
Yeah, so bot is a complementary project which helps with customers, I guess. They use our bot, but they as well visit our site, and maybe they someday will buy our products which we sell on our site, or they will visit our YouTube channel and will buy something there or donate something. Okay, so thank you very much for the interview. It is useful for people. Maybe someone even will develop something on Telegram or status when it will be possible. And see you in the next interview if we will have one.
Yeah, bye bye.